Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got 3 big boxes of Wholesalers, new product that's going to go directly on hookedonpickin.com, so you can find it right there. We're going to open all 3 of these boxes and see exactly what's inside.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below.
All right, so I have a little bit of an allergies today, so just ignore the sniffling if it happens. Lots of things growing out there, and so glad to see the springtime come, but allergies come with it. So we're going to open all 3 of these boxes, and then please stay tuned to the end, because we will put on each item what we're going to be charging on hookedonpickin.com, just so you have an idea. All right, so let's get right into it. Let's do this little one first. I think I have an idea of what this is. Cut carefully when opening. I'm being careful. I'm being very careful. Oh, I guess it doesn't mean cut slowly, just cut carefully. All right. These are, oh yes. Okay, so I have 4 different colors. These are earbuds that come with a mic. Flint metal earbuds with a mic. And the reason why I got these is I'm selling some iPhone earbuds, but I don't have any for an Android or with just a regular 3.5 millimeter jack. And so I wanted to get ones, and these are the ones with a microphone. So if you need to make hands-free phone calls, things like that, they have it. So it comes in all different colors. So you even got red and gray and blue. So these will be available on hookedonpickin.com. Just something that I found a good price point on them and know that I can give them to you for a really good deal. And I believe that's everything that's in this box.
Connected with them through ASD too.
Yes, these are one of my wholesalers from ASD Roadshow. So I'm super excited about that. So this whole box is earbuds of various different colors, and you'll be able to choose your color on the store. So let's open this one. New catalog to find some new fun stuff, which I'll be looking through. Actually, Paul will probably look through that. All right, multiple different boxes, so we're going to open up all of the boxes and see what we got going on. All right, what's this one? Of course, I opened it upside down. There we go. Oh, wooden slingshots. Look at those with the little fuzzy. These won't hurt if they hit you, unless, of course, you're like 2 feet away. But these are fun wooden slingshots.
Ooh, they are little spongy.
Yeah, they're little spongy ones. So these are going to be really fun. We can put some of these in our mystery kids boxes that we've got,
and you
too.
can always replace them with rocks.
No, don't replace them with rocks, Paul.
That's the whole point of a sling.
Bad Paul. Bad Paul. Don't put rocks in those. All right. I did this one upside down too.
They're amazing.
But it comes out of the box really easy, so. Oh, more of our slingshot rockets. I'm sensing a theme. Slingshot, slingshot, slingshot. So these are really, really cool. They light up. So they're really fun to use even in the dark. So they look like that. They have little wings on the bottom, and then they light up on the top, and then you just basically, it's a giant rubber band. You fling it in the air and see how far it goes. You can have slingshot rocket wars.
It's awesome.
See who wins. All right, what else is in here? Ooh. Oh, these are the magic tricks. So we have 3 different kinds of magic trick boxes. Come each with 15 plus tricks. And they're all different, and you can pick each individual box. So if you've already got this one, you can buy the other 2. But 15 plus games in the magic tricks. I like having this table behind me. It's handy. All right. Huh. This is a box shape I haven't seen. Boxes are really flimsy. All right. Oh, yes. We sold out of the blue ones really fast. So we ordered some more. We only actually have, I think, like one of the red ones left. Look at those. Aren't those cool planes? And they actually light up and they pull back. So they pull back and retract, and then they'll fly along the floor. And then you pull this out and it makes lights and sounds and all that stuff. So these are really cool. So we've got blue and red airplanes. And I think we got a bunch of boxes of those. Yes, looks like we've got 2 more boxes of the airplanes. And then what else is in here? Oh, more dinosaurs. Good, because we've been selling out of these like crazy. So really good sized dinosaurs. All sorts of different kinds. I think this guy's cool. The blue stripe. So yeah, so a bunch of little plastic toy dinosaurs. Everybody loves dinosaurs. And same thing in this box. Dinosaurs. All right, so we've got that box done. And then we're going to jump over to this other one here. My empty boxes over there. All right. Tried to stab myself there. I'm shocked I haven't cut a finger off of these box cutters. I make so many people nervous. I get so many comments are like, put the box cutter down when you're talking. You're making us nervous. Oh, cool. Look at these Minnie Mouse hats. I want to get into it. Aren't those cute? So they're kid-size hats. Looks like, well, I don't know, they might fit an adult. Well, these are definitely kid-size hats. Look like that. Like that with the Velcro. Yep. Yeah, those are cute. So we've got Minnie Mouse. Those are brand new to the store. And then we got Mickey Mouse for the boys. More Minnie Mouse, same hat. More Mickey Mouse. Ooh, and then we've got swim rings. Disney princess ones. Here, let me put these down on the table. You can look at them a little closer because they have Ariel, Rapunzel, and it looks like Sleeping Beauty. And it looks like all the swim rings are the same.
I think that's Belle. Ariel,
Belle?
Rapunzel, and Belle.
Who did I say?
Sleeping Beauty.
Oh, yeah, you're right. It's Belle. Thank you.
Big difference, Heather.
There
Big
is.
difference.
It's pretty bad when Paul knows his princesses. It's because he's got 2 daughters.
2 daughters, man.
Spider-Man swim goggles. Perfect time of the year. And then for the girls, princess ones.
Nice. Could almost put together a kit of the
Swim stuff?
goggles and the
Oh yeah,
little
you
swim
could.
rings.
We could sell it as a bundle pack. That'd be fun. Oops. I did this wrong. All right, let's see. Just trying to get all these out. Lots of stuff in there. Just trying to get all the goggles out of here so we can get to the next box. I'm trying to be organized. There. All right, all the goggles out. I'm going to pull this down on the floor. All right. What is in this big box? Ooh, I think I know what this is. Dinosaur excavation kits. gotta flip it over. Here we go. So we've got 2 different kinds. These are already on the store, and so stay tuned to the end. We can tell you exactly how much we're charging for each one of these. But one's kind of for younger kids, one's kind of for older kids, or everywhere in the middle, kind of. This one says ages 6 and up. This one also says ages 6 and up. So I think it's just the packaging is a little different. So really it's for the same age.
People love these.
They do love these. So let's see what else is in here. Well, that one's not even sealed. Let's put it right here. We'll just open it like this. Oh, perfect. More water stuff. So these are, you basically hook it to a hose and fill all the water balloons at once. It's super, super convenient. And they all have rubber bands on them. And so you fill them all at once and then pull the little tabs out and they self-seal because they have mini rubber bands on them. So, water balloon fight to the extreme. That's what's happening there.
Good summer products.
Yep, good summer stuff. What's this? Oh, I think this is a hot commodity here. If it's what I think it is. Yep.
Oh my.
These things blew out. Just went bonkers. I have to demonstrate them again because they're the coolest thing ever. Look how big they are. You take one of these things and then you just, is it gonna play? Goes like this. Oops, if I can do it right. You gotta be smarter than the toy. Oh, do I have to twist it up? I think I have, yeah, you have to wind it. And then you release it. So it plays music basically.
Beautiful.
And spins. So it's really cool. Yeah. So you have to wind it up with this thing, I guess. And so we have a ton of those. We've got 2 more boxes of the spin toy. And then what is this? This is more Dino excavation kits. So we're going to go ahead and price everything, and you'll be able to find everything that you see here on the store. All right, we've got everything priced. Okay, so we have got our fun spinning tops, and we have a bunch of those. $2.99 a piece for those. And then we've got our water balloons at $1.99, 37 automatic filling with the hose. Then $4.99 for the light up slingshot rocket. $4.49 for the wooden slingshot toy. $4.99 for the 3 different kinds of magic trick boxes. Then we have our blue and red airplanes, $4.99 a piece for those. Then $1.49 for the assorted plastic dinosaurs. Then $4.99 for the goggles, swim goggles, either the Disney Princess or the Marvel Spider-Man. Then we have the Disney Princess swim ring, $4.99 for that. Then both of our ball caps are $8.99 for the pink Minnie Mouse or the blue Mickey Mouse. Then we have our Dinosaur fossil excavation kits at $7.99 a piece for that. And then we have our metal earbuds with mic, $5.99, and you get to pick your color. So those are the prices you'll find on hookedonpickin.com. So you just go right to the store and find all of those items. Hopefully you had fun watching me unbox some new items from my wholesalers that I found at ASD Roadshow. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you love it. Hit that subscribe button if you're not yet a subscriber so you know every time I put a new video out, which usually is every day. If you've not attended our Friday fire sales, you definitely have to check those out. I have previous videos online if you want to see how the whole fire sale process works, and you can buy direct from me on YouTube. But if you would like to buy some of the products you just saw in this video, go to hookedonpickin.com and you can purchase all of the items there.